Hi kids, it's Teacher Patty with my special assistant,
Theia.
and we are going to make some edible cookie dough. Now, we love baking chocolate chip cookies, but Theia also loves to eat the dough. So I thought it'd be fun to have dough that was safe to eat. Let me tell you what you need for the ingredients first. So, first you're gonna need some butter. Now you can't really see, but this butter has been melted. Then you're going to need some brown sugar, 1/3 a cup, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and of course some chocolate chips. 1/3 a cup of chocolate chips. You can always add more. And very importantly, you're gonna need some all-purpose flour. Now, it's not very good for your body to eat lots and lots of raw flour. So what you have to do is you do have to cook the flour before you use it and make sure it's cooled. It's super easy. You just cook it at 350 for 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure that it doesn't turn brown, and then your flour is safe to eat. All right, so let's get putting all the ingredients together. So this is 1/3 a cup of butter. I melted it, but I made sure that it wasn't hot anymore when we were going to mix in our sugar, because it makes our dough too thin and not as thick and yummy. So what we're gonna do first is we have our melted butter, and Theia is going to add in 3 tablespoons of white sugar. There we go. And then we have our 1/3 a cup of light brown or dark brown sugar, whatever you have in your house. And then you mix that with the butter.
Yummy and yummy.
Really make sure that the sugar and the butter is all mixed together. That's good, Theia. Do you mind if I give it a mix too? Thank you. Let me mix it and I'll kind of show you what that looks like. There you go. Okay, so now it's time to add some of our other ingredients. We have our vanilla. Theia, will you put that in for me? And our 1 tablespoon of milk. I used whole milk, but you can use whatever you have. All right, now let's mix it together. Theia? See that? And I'm using unsalted butter, so I added a pinch of salt too. If you have salted butter, you can use that. But if you don't have salted butter at home and you only have unsalted, just put a pinch of salt in too. Okay, that's good, Theia. All right, so we've got 2 ingredients left, and that is our flour and our chocolate chips. So I'm going to carefully pour our flour in with Theia's help, thank you. And then, Theia, you can mix it for me. You really want to make sure your flour is all mixed in, because you don't want to take a bite of your cookie dough and have a big bite of flour. So we really mixed it well to make sure that there's no lumps of flour. And now we're going to add the last but the best ingredient are, what is it, Theia?
Chocolate chips.
Pour them on in. And we chose to use mini chocolate chips. Wonderful. Okay, Theia, do you want to take this hand and will you mix it a little bit for me? I'll hold the bowl. And Theia is making sure everything is nice and mixed together. And then we're gonna stick this in the fridge for 10 minutes, and then we can sample our cookie dough. Now this cookie dough is a great treat because you can roll it into balls, you can freeze it, and then you can have a nice little sweet treat whenever you want. All right, friends, you ready to give it a try? How's it taste?
Yummy.
All right, there's our yummy edible cookie dough.